Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Janet Ludwig, and I'm here to talk to you today about a really interesting course, Newt 311, Food Production and Healthy Cooking. Now, this is a course that does not require any previous nutrition education. It can be taken outside of the field of nutrition, such as an aromatherapist or herbal medicine. And basically, it goes over food safety and how to prepare food to maintain the vitamin content, the mineral content, as well as the safety issues. Now, indeed, we've all heard of the contamination of some foods, E. coli, that have developed in food production. You'll learn about the problems involved in that, as well as in your future as counseling and helping people come back to their healthy situation, how they can prepare their food, not only safely, but also retaining the vitamins and the best way to get the healthy nutrients out of the food. So be aware of this course. It's really an interesting course. You'll talk about vegetarian diets and advising people on the best way to get all of their nutrients. So I'll hope to see you in this course, Newt 311, Food Production and Healthy Cooking. And contact me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.